Welcome back to the Pump Fun Developer Series, your ultimate guide to mastering the art of Pump Fun tokens and taking control of the meme token space. Today, we're diving into the general settings of DogWiFTools, the foundational configurations that power every successful deployment. If you're serious about optimizing your setup, avoiding common mistakes, and gaining an edge over the competition, this episode is for you. Before we begin, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. These insights are game-changing, and you won't want to miss a single episode. Let's get started. So let's start with the Discord webhook. Now, this tool allows you to track and share updates about your projects, either in your private Discord or the DogWiFTools community. Now, while this might sound like a great way to showcase your successes, it comes with risks. Sharing your ticker or deployment data publicly can expose your strategy to competitors and bots. Here's why. Savvy players can reverse engineer your actions, track your wallets, and even use automated bots to front run your moves or leech liquidity. Instead, think strategically. Sharing success can build FOMO and engagement, but you need to control the narrative. If you're curious about how to use webhooks effectively, drop a comment below and I'll share some advanced tips in a future episode. Next up, let's discuss RPCs, or remote procedure calls. These are the critical links between your bot and the blockchain, handling transactions like buys, sells, and deployments. Think of RPCs as your direct line to Solana. The faster and more reliable your RPC, the better your chances of executing profitable trades ahead of the competition. A basic RPC setup can work for smaller operations, but as you scale, you'll need advanced RPCs with higher transaction speeds and greater capacity. Here's the tip. Benchmark tests are a great way to evaluate your current RPC performance. They'll show you where bottlenecks exist and help you determine when it's time to upgrade. Your wallet setup is another critical piece of the puzzle. Typically, you'll use three types of wallets: the dev wallet, which handles the deployment and developer transactions; the funder wallet, which manages funding and tipping operations; and the Gito tip wallet. This is where Gito tip comes in. Now, Gito tip is a transaction fee system designed specifically for Solana. By tipping validators, it ensures your transactions are prioritized and during busy periods of high network activity. So think of it as skipping the queue at a busy restaurant. Your transactions go straight to the top of the list. By doubling the recommended Gito tip amount, you can significantly reduce transaction failures, especially when handling large volumes or multiple wallets. Now, this small adjustment can have a big impact on your overall efficiency and profitability. Now, let's talk about bumping, one of the most misunderstood yet critical aspects of Pump Fun. On Pump Fun, bumping determines your project's visibility. When you bump a project, you're essentially pushing it to the top of the platform's list, increasing its exposure to bots, investors, and other players. Here's why this matters. In the world of Pump Fun tokens, visibility drives engagement. A well-timed bump can trigger FOMO, attract bots, and generate organic volume, all of which are essential for creating a successful launch. But there's more to bumping than just pushing your project to the top. The Pump Fun algorithm takes several factors into account when ranking bumped projects. These include wallet activity, trading volume, transaction frequency, and also wallet age. Projects backed by seasoned wallets, wallets with a history of activity, are favored over those with brand new wallets. Timing is everything. Bumping a project too early can waste resources, while bumping at the right moment when FOMO is building can amplify your results exponentially. So if you want to know more about creating a bumping strategy that works, let's discuss it in the comments. Now, on to proxies. Now, these are essential for creating multiple profiles and scaling your operations without raising red flags. Each proxy can support up to 2 accounts. So planning your allocation strategically is key. Profiles created with proxies mimic human behavior, making your operations look authentic. This is particularly important for attracting bots and investors, as projects that appear organic are more likely to gain traction. In the next episode, we'll explore how to use proxies to create profiles that not only scale your operations, but also attract the right kind of attention. Stay tuned for that. The real magic of Pump Fun lies in the details. For example, deploying aged wallets can make your project appear more legitimate, attracting bots and seasoned investors. Pairing this with strategic bundling can further enhance your results. So these techniques go beyond the basics, but mastering them can elevate your game to the next level. If you're serious about learning how to optimize these strategies, let me know. I've got plenty more to share in future episodes. As we close out, remember this: every successful project starts with a solid foundation, from optimizing your RPCs and wallet configurations to mastering the art of bumping. The general settings are where it all begins. Take the time to get these right, and you'll be well on your way to dominating this meme token space. In the next episode, we'll dive deep into proxies, how to configure them, use them to scale, and create profiles that attract bots and diamond hands. This is where your strategy truly starts to shine, so don't miss it. And before you go, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your biggest takeaway from today's session. And don't forget, if you're ready to take things to the next level, check out the link below to get access to DogWiFTools in the description. You'll gain access to the best tools in the game. And I'll even throw in a 1-hour free one-to-one session to help optimize and guide you through your setup. I'll see you on the next video.